Lesson: Developing responsible and transparent prompting practices. Developing responsible and transparent prompting practices is critical in the field of prompt engineering, particularly as the integration of artificial intelligence continues to expand across various sectors. The essence of responsible prompting lies in the ethical and transparent generation and management of prompts, ensuring that AI systems operate within the bounds of societal norms and user expectations. This lesson explores practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications that can help professionals navigate the complexities of ethical considerations in prompt engineering. By leveraging these strategies, professionals can address real-world challenges and enhance their proficiency in developing responsible and transparent prompting practices. One of the foundational aspects of responsible prompting is understanding the potential biases embedded in AI systems. Bias can originate from various sources, including the data used to train models and the algorithms themselves. For instance, a study by Buolamwini and Gebru demonstrated that facial recognition systems exhibited higher error rates for darker-skinned individuals compared to lighter-skinned individuals. This highlights the importance of critically assessing the datasets used in AI training processes. A practical tool for mitigating bias is the use of bias detection algorithms, which analyze datasets for skewed representations and provide insights on how to adjust them. Implementing these tools requires a step-by-step approach. First, identify potential sources of bias in the data, then apply detection algorithms to quantify these biases, and finally, take corrective actions, such as rebalancing training datasets or employing fairness-enhancing algorithms. Transparency in prompting involves clear communication regarding how AI systems operate and make decisions. This is essential for building trust with users and stakeholders. The use of explainable AI frameworks is instrumental in achieving transparency. These frameworks provide insights into the decision-making processes of AI systems, allowing users to understand the rationale behind specific outputs. For example, the LIME framework explains individual predictions by approximating complex models with simpler, interpretable models. To implement XAI, begin by selecting a framework compatible with the AI system in use. Next, integrate the framework into the system's infrastructure, ensuring it can access and interpret model outputs. Finally, present the explanations in a user-friendly format, making them accessible to non-expert users. A critical component of responsible prompting is accountability, which involves establishing mechanisms to ensure that AI systems operate within ethical guidelines and legal regulations. Accountability frameworks help delineate the responsibilities of various stakeholders, from developers to end users. One practical approach is the development of accountability checklists, which outline the ethical and legal considerations that must be addressed during the design and deployment of AI systems. These checklists should be tailored to specific applications and updated regularly to reflect evolving regulations and societal expectations. Implementing accountability measures involves the creation of multidisciplinary teams tasked with monitoring compliance and addressing any ethical or legal issues that arise. In addition to these technical and procedural strategies, fostering a culture of ethics and responsibility within organizations is paramount. This involves promoting awareness of ethical considerations in AI development and encouraging open dialogue among team members. Training programs and workshops can be effective tools for achieving this goal. These programs should cover topics such as ethical AI design, bias mitigation, and transparency, providing participants with the knowledge and skills needed to develop responsible prompting practices. Furthermore, organizations should establish channels for reporting ethical concerns and ensure that employees feel empowered to voice these concerns without fear of retaliation. Case studies can provide valuable insights into the real-world application of responsible and transparent prompting practices. One notable example is the use of AI in healthcare, where ethical considerations are paramount due to the sensitive nature of patient data. A study by Rajkumar et al. Explored the use of deep learning models for predicting patient outcomes, emphasizing the importance of transparency and accountability in model development. The study highlighted the need for rigorous validation processes and the integration of XAI frameworks to ensure that healthcare professionals could interpret model outputs effectively. By following these principles, healthcare organizations can develop AI systems that enhance patient care while adhering to ethical standards. Statistics also underscore the importance of responsible prompting practices. According to a survey conducted by the Pew Research Center, 72% of Americans expressed concern about privacy issues related to AI systems. This statistic highlights the need for transparency and accountability in AI development to address public concerns and build trust. By implementing the strategies outlined in this lesson, professionals can develop AI systems that align with user expectations and societal norms, ultimately fostering greater acceptance and adoption of AI technologies. In conclusion, developing responsible and transparent prompting practices is a multifaceted endeavor that requires a combination of technical tools, procedural frameworks, and organizational culture shifts. By understanding and addressing biases, implementing transparency through XAI frameworks, establishing accountability measures, and fostering a culture of ethics, professionals can navigate the complexities of ethical considerations in prompt engineering. Practical tools such as bias detection algorithms, XAI frameworks, and accountability checklists provide actionable insights that can be directly applied to real-world challenges. Through these efforts, professionals can enhance their proficiency in developing responsible and transparent prompting practices, ultimately contributing to the ethical and effective deployment of AI systems.